Hello viewers, this is Nilanjana and you're with BioStudy Pathshala. This video is going to be something special because here I would like to thank all of you people for supporting me, because few days ago I have seen this channel has reached to 500 subscribers. So really thank you to those people who has reached, who has visited this channel, who has subscribed, who has viewed my videos. So really thank you. So I wish to all of you to share this channel more and more, and do subscribe who haven't subscribed till now. So thank you once again for making this happen.